Hello there. Most of you already probably know who I am. For those of you who don't, I am Mr. Savage and I am the band director at Fairfield Union. This is my 13th year of teaching. Previously, I taught middle school band at Circleville. The last 6 years have been here at Fairfield Union teaching band. Before I became a teacher, I went to high school just down the road at Millersport High School. For college, I attended Capital University, majoring in instrumental music education. Currently, I live in Lancaster with my wife, who is also a band director, and our 2 kids. We have 4 pets, 2 cats named Picardy and Binks, and 2 dogs named Pierre and Tilly. For fun, I do all kinds of band or music-related activities. I play in a Dixieland band with other local band directors. I also like to teach my own kids how to play piano. For non-musical activities, I enjoy playing video games, hiking, and biking. Now, for class, the rules are fairly simple. I expect you to follow whatever rules are expected from our school district. In addition, I expect you to follow what I call the common sense rules of being a student. This is not your first year of school, so you should already know how to be a good student. Now, in addition, specifically for band, you're expected to have your instrument every single day. Instruments should be taken home each day whenever possible. Now, for the most part, what we do in band is fairly obvious. We learn how to play an instrument. However, in addition to learning how to play instruments, we will cover other musical topics. Now, each day for band, you will come into the classroom, get your instrument, and return to your assigned seat. From there, we will get our instruments out from their cases, and we will begin class for the day. For those of you who are in music theory, each day you'll need your folder, a Chromebook, and a pencil. The first few weeks there will be spent on making sure we all understand the basics of how to read music. From there, we will learn basic chord structures and inversions. We will also discuss how to build musical scales. We have endless possibilities of what we will and what we can cover throughout the year. Now, for all classes, to make it more accessible, we are going to utilize programs online, which will give you easy access to class materials. This starts with Google Classroom. Google Classroom will act as a starting point for all information. Now, when you're learning from home, we will periodically have class meets. However, if at any point you need anything from me, please do not hesitate to reach out. The absolutely best way to reach out to me is through email. Now, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any further questions. I can't wait to see you.